In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Steelseries Arctis 7 to Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Arctis 7 models of headsets and how to properly connect them to an Xbox console, either Xbox One or new gen Xbox Series S or X. So you will be able to connect it depending on the model that you have. If you have the Arctis 7X, which is designed for Xbox consoles, you will be able to do it completely wirelessly, so it is very convenient. You will be able to use the provided dongle because it is a licensed headset by Microsoft. Now, if you have the standard Arctis 7, while you will still be able to connect it to your Xbox, you will have to do a wired connection, so keep that in mind. So first, if you have the Arctis 7X, which is designed for the console, you will be able to grab the USB-C transmitter or dongle and set it up accordingly. So use the toggle on the dongle itself and set it to Xbox. Once it is on the Xbox mode, you will be able to plug it into your Xbox console. You can use the provided USB-C to USB-A adapter. So you will be able to plug the dongle into the USB-C end and then plug the actual transmitter into the Xbox on any available USB-A port. And once this is done, as soon as you power on the headset, it is going to automatically pair itself up with the dongle, and you will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your Xbox One console through the headset. Alternatively, you will also be able to do it with the standard Arctis 7 through a wired connection. So all that you have to do in that case is to use the provided cable. Usually this will be micro USB to 3.5mm, but it might differ depending on the model that you have. And as long as you plug one end of the cable into the headset and another one into your Xbox controller or any other available port, you will be able to get it to work. It is going to work flawlessly once again, including the microphone as well, but you will have to use it wired because this one wasn't licensed, so you cannot do it wirelessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Steelseries Arctis 7 to Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.